Hi everyone, welcome again in my channel. In this video I will show you how you can transform your logo, just a picture, to a 3D design like this. So let's begin. Okay, so as you see, this is my logo, and how I can do it, just I use Metric Control, the best program if you are a beginning in the 3D printing or like this. So we need this program. It's very easy if you want to design, like you have cube, rectangle, text, logo, as you want. Now the necessary how you can do your logo. Just you see like a logo of Meteor Hackers. Just click it, put it here, as you see. Now just go to change it, choose your picture, your logo. I want this one. Okay, when you have this, just do it transparent. This is very good. Okay, now as you see, I do allow my logo, a part of my logo, and now I want to make a rectangle or the table. Just do it like this, and this is very easy. Now I want to write something. Go to the text, put it here, write I don't know, anything you want it. If you want to change the font, go to this, like I want this font, this, as you see. Okay, everything now is good. How I can save it, like STL file? Just click here, export, STL file, export, I don't know, like videos, save it here. Okay, when I save it, go to the Ultimaker Cura, open a file, like this is my file, and as you see, when I do it, I need to click slice. As you see, we have 2 hours and 4 minutes, and you can find how many gram. We have 20 gram. Anything is good. Okay, so now I will print the logo and I will return again. So, this is my logo, and like as you see, it's like the original, like it. It's very good. Okay, so I use I think 3 color, this part, and the A.A.F. I use a blue color, and this is by green, this table is by black. Sorry about that, but I don't have any picture or any video about how the printer do it, but I have like short video uh, explain how the printer made like anything. Okay, so I think this is the video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and goodbye.